Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 7th of February. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. All right, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. All the action was local, where we had our retail sales number come in at negative 0.5%. That's a little bit lower than the forecasted, whilst the trade balance came in at 5.22 billion. Again, a little bit lower than the forecasted. Overall, this was not overly impacting on our Aussie dollar. We did drop a little bit against the US dollar, but it was only minor, around about 20 to 25 odd pips for the session. So that's pretty much all that's happened yesterday. Let us now move on to our chart of the day. Incidentally, the chart that I showed you yesterday triggered the candle that we were looking at, or yesterday's candle actually broke a slight lower low. So the setup that I was looking for this morning has not happened, but there's still a possibility that we can get that set up on Monday. So keep that one on your radar, and let's see if hopefully we can see that one on Monday. But this morning, what I've found is the Euro Kiwi on a daily timescale. Now, this particular chart had been coming down and found the bottom, and it appears to be moving back up and trending, a new trend starting to emerge. We have achieved a reversal pattern here already. We can see a nice inside candle. The little red one that I'm pointing at right now, that's this morning's candle. So what I'm ready to go for this one. I'm placing my pending order at the break of the inside candle, and if this candle pushes up, breaks through, well, then I'm in and I'm going long on Euro New Zealand dollar. Now, if it breaks the low of the inside candle, then I need to go back and cancel that order out, as the trade would no longer be valid. So there you have it. This morning's chart of the day, we've got a pending order on the Euro Kiwi daily timescale as a trend continuation trade. What's on the agenda for today? It's quite a hectic session. Starts off at 11:30 this morning, where we release the RBA. The RBA releases its monetary policy statement. At 1 o'clock from New Zealand, inflation expectation numbers are due out, and then all the activity happens after midnight. At 12:30 from Canada, we have the unemployment rate and employment change numbers, and simultaneously at the same time, at 12:30, we have non-farm payroll numbers due out. So we have the unemployment rate, the job numbers, and the average hourly earnings. So for those of you who are newer to the market, the non-farm payroll numbers are the highlight of the calendar. They happen once a month. It's typically it's the first Friday of the month, and they can be the most volatile in a trading session. So tonight, if you've never witnessed market movements, I encourage you to at least look, just to see at the activity, how the market starts to move and get volatile as we approach that time. And of course, the most volatile pair tonight is the US CAD. It's got job data released simultaneously for both countries. Okay, so there you have it. That wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you on Monday for the daily call. Bye for now.